unboxing my next EPIC Toyota Tacoma Mod. Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Pretty excited here. That's right, I took the bed rack off of the truck, I sold it, it's gone, and the next mod has arrived right back here. So I'm going to put you guys on a tripod. We're going to open this. I have no idea what to expect. I've seen pictures obviously, but I've never seen one in real life. Let's get to it. Okay, got it up here on a couple of chairs actually. So you guys can see as we go. I'm just going to take pieces out, set them over here on the table to try to keep everything together. So let's go ahead, cut the tape, see what we've got here. Hopefully it's shipped well. One never knows. Gonna make my own cuts there. And let's see, we have the staples. So, I'm going to have to muscle this one off. That wasn't too bad. How about this side? Okay. A bunch of pieces and parts in here. It does look to be wrapped rather well. You guys can see what it looks like in the box there. But I guess we'll just kind of start here. Show you guys. This could turn into a rather long video. I'm surprised they're wrapped really well. So let's just see what we've got. Man, look at this. They did not spare on the packaging, which is good. I mean, you want it that way, right? But getting it off, that's going to be a whole nother battle, I guess. So I think rather than boring you guys with me removing packaging, I'll pause it. We'll get it all unwrapped here, and then I'll show you what the pieces and parts are. Okay, we've got it all out of the box. That probably took me about 45 minutes. They packaged this really, really well, which is a good thing. I'm not complaining. But let's take a look at what we've got. Of course, the bigger rails down here on the floor, and you notice this is a pretty beefy rail, which I like that. It's going to look awesome on the truck, right? None of these little thin tubes, man. This is probably, I don't know, what, 3 inches maybe, 2.5, I don't know, but they're really, really good size. As far as what else we have, well, we have the rails here. These actually affix to the side of the truck. You can see the slots down here. That's where you put the screws through to bolt them into the track system that's on the Tacoma, so that'll be pretty cool. Here's a little version, I guess, of what it's going to look like, sort of. There are 8 pages of instructions. That's cool. I was kind of worried when I was doing this, or unboxing it, I should say, because I didn't find the instructions right away. They were actually inside of the last piece that I took off, so they were there though, so that's good. Couple things to note. It does come with an LED brake light. You guys can see right here. So unless I deactivate the brake light that's on the truck right now, we're actually going to have 2 brake lights. Is that a problem? I don't know if that's a problem. More concerning for me is how to run the wiring. The one fault that I will give this kit, as far as the instructions go, there are no instructions as to how to connect up that 3rd brake light, so you're kind of on your own there. I have an idea for what I'm going to do. I'll fill you in on that once we get the install going, but it just adds another step, I guess, for me to try to figure out. The other thing, it does have these side panels. I was kind of up in the air as to whether I was going to put these on or not. I do think I am going to put them on. The good thing is they can be removed. They just bolt into these little pieces here, I believe. Now, you notice that they're red. Well, I of course don't have any other red on my truck, right? And it's a bright red, so it would really stand out if I left it the way that it is. But there is something pretty cool about this. Let's go ahead and flip it over. You can see this is merely a plate on the back, right? It can be removed. They've got a couple of bolts there. That's what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to remove both of them, and I'm going to paint them, you guessed it, voodoo blue, right? Now I could go black, or I could just leave them off. I mean, there's nothing that says you have to have the panel on there, right? But I do think I'm going to go with voodoo blue, and who knows, maybe we'll call the truck, instead of the blue unicorn, it will be the black horse. I don't know, we'll see. But gonna pop those off, gonna paint those. I do have the genuine voodoo blue paint that I used for some other things, so no shortage of paint there. And then we'll go ahead and put this whole thing together, and I'll show a video of that, of course. Unfortunately, the video is going to be split up, probably into at least a couple of parts, because there are so many steps to do. I don't expect anybody to sit here, or would sit here and watch it for like 2 hours or more. It's going to take me a while to put this thing together. We will do a video on assembly, putting the whole roll bar, or sport bar I guess it's called, together. And then the install on the truck along with the wiring as well. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. How do you think the Black Forest, or Black Horse, I guess it's Black Horse, the Black Horse is going to look? I'd be curious to know. Too bad it doesn't say blue. I'd rather it said blue horse, you know. But anyway, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of it. By the way, I did get this from Extreme Terrain. It is called the Black Horse Gladiator not roll bar, but sport bar. So if you're interested, that's where you can find it. Cost on it was about, I think it was 600 and some bucks, something like that. So not cheap, but a little bit cheaper than the bed rack was. Also, real quick, if you're interested, check out my other channel. It is RobMotive JT, all about my 2020 Jeep Gladiator. I have a third channel all about the Honda Civic, both the Sport hatch, manual transmission of course, and the Type R. That channel is RobMotive Civic. Have a look at that if you're interested in that kind of thing. Also, don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, click that subscribe button on your way out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.